Synthetic substitution is a painless way to evaluate polynomials for particular values of x. Let's investigate why it works. Suppose we wanted to evaluate this polynomial at x equals 4. We're supposed to write a 4 in the box and then write out our coefficients like so. The algorithm says you should take the 1 and drop it, and any number below the line gets multiplied by the number in the box and placed in the next available spot above the line. Then we continue to add and multiply, add and multiply until we get to the end. So f of 4 in this case is 39. Let's try this without synthetic substitution using a slightly different approach. This will explain why synthetic substitution works. I'm going to take this polynomial and I'm going to factor out an x from any term that contains it, like so. And since the polynomial on the inside also has multiple terms that contain x, I'm going to factor it out of there as well. So this is what we have in fully factored form. Now let's see what would happen if we wanted to evaluate this at 4. Using order of operations, the 4 would immediately go to the inside of the polynomial, giving us 4 minus 2, which is 2. Now, where did we see in the synthetic division algorithm that 4 minus 2 is 2? It's this column right here. 4 minus 2 is 2. And now that I have that result that 4 minus 2 is 2, what did we do with this value of 2? We multiplied it by the number on the outside, which was 4. So we have 2 times 4 is 8. And then when I have that value of 8, I add 3 to it to get 11. Now where do we see 8 plus 3 is 11? We see it right here. Once I've established this value of 11 on the inside, I multiply it by 4, which is 44. And there's my 44. And when I have my 44, I subtract 5 from it to get 39. If this helped you understand why synthetic substitution works, consider liking and subscribing for more clear, step-by-step math.